Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 4.3, question number 1. Here we construct quadrilateral MORE. Here we will construct different type of quadrilateral. Here 3 angles are given and 2 sides are given. So we will construct a quadrilateral. Let's see. Sides are given. MO is given 6 centimeter. OR is given 4.5 centimeter. Angle M is given 60 degree. Angle O is 105 degree. Angle R is 105 degree. First we'll draw a rough figure. This is the rough figure MORE, where MO is given 6 centimeter, OR is 4.5 centimeter, then angle M is 60 degree, angle O is 105, angle R is 105 is given. So first we'll start from this side, MO. We'll take 6 centimeter measurement and we'll draw a line. This line is MO 6 centimeter. Now we'll draw angle because angle is given O is 105, M is given 60. We'll start from 105. So without the protractor, we'll not use protractor. Only with the help of compass, we'll draw angle. So what we'll do? First, we'll take any radius. We'll not measure any radius. From our side, we can take any radius. And we'll draw semicircle. And with the same radius, we'll cut an arc, one arc, and this is the second arc. First arc for 60 degree, second arc for 120 degree. Now, with the same radius, from 60, we'll cut an arc, and from 120, we'll cut one more arc. Now, this is the intersecting point. Now, this is the angle of 90 degree. With the help of compass, we'll draw angle. We can check also. This is 90 or not. Yes, this is exact 90. We can measure with the protractor also. We can check. Now this is 90. But what we have to make? We have to make 105. Again, we'll take a compass and from 120, because in between 90 and 120, there will be 105. So we'll cut one arc from here and one arc from 90 degree. This intersecting point will be angle of 105 degree. So now we'll join this line. And this is the point R. Now, what we have to take? OR, we have to take 4.5 centimeter. So, we'll measure 4.5 here. And O as a center, and we'll cut an arc here. That means this is the exact point R. So, we'll increase this line till R. Okay. This angle is 105 degree. Same. Now angle R is 105 degree. So same process we'll do from point R. So we'll move our page and same. We'll take any radius and we'll draw semicircle from point R. With the same radius, we'll cut arc of 60 degree and one more arc for 120 degree. Same from 60, one arc, from 120, we'll cut one more arc. This is for 90 degree. This is 90, but what we have to make? We have to make 105. Same process. We'll cut one arc from 120 and one from 90. That means this intersecting point, this is the angle of 105. So now we'll join. Now angle M is 60 degree. So we'll keep compass here, draw one semicircle. This first arc will be 60 degree. This is 60 degree. So we can join this. This is a 60 degree. This we have made 105 degree. M O R. One point is missing, E. That means this is the point E, where we can increase this line. We'll increase this line like this, and we'll extend this line. So this is the point E. This is our required quadrilateral MORE, where M is 60 degree, O is 105, R is 105 degree, and this is E. This is the point R. Okay students, this is our required quadrilateral MORE. Hope you understood. Now we'll write the step of construction. Okay student, next construction is parallelogram HEAR, where it is given HE is given 5 cm, EA is 6 cm, angle R is given 85 degree. First we'll draw a rough sketch. HEAR. HE is given 5 cm, EA is 6 cm, and angle R is given 85 degree. Now we know that adjacent angle of parallelogram is 180 degree. That means sum of the adjacent angle of parallelogram is 180 degree. If we'll subtract 85 from the 180, so we'll get 95. So how we'll get? Angle H is equal to 180 degree minus 85 degree is equal to 95. So this angle is 95 degree. We know that opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. That means this is also 85 degree. And this side also 6 cm. So we'll start construction. First we'll draw line HE is 5 cm. This is 5 cm at E. 5 cm. We'll construct an angle of 95 degree with the help of protractor. 95 degree. We'll join this measurement is 6 centimeters. So we'll cut arc of 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter. We'll take 6 centimeter here. This point is 6 centimeter. So we'll extend line. That means this is the point R. This angle is 95 degree. From here we measure angle of 85 degree. From the point E, 85 degree. We'll join this line. From E, this is 85 degree. Now we have to cut an arc of 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter will measure and we'll cut an arc here. We'll extend the line till this point. This is the angle of 85 degree. And this 6 centimeter line and this 6 centimeter line. Now we'll measure 85 from here. From the point R, we'll measure 85 degree. 85 degree will come here. This point is 85 degree. We'll join this line. That means this intersecting point is A. This 85 degree, this 95 degree, 85 degree. This is our required parallelogram HEAR. Okay students, hope you understood. Now we'll write the shapes of construction.